Hello. Hi. Kaze Lycan here for another video. This time, we're doing a little something different. We, as you can see, well, first off, I gotta check if yep, there we go. Okay. We are playing a little game called, called Crafting and Building, which is basically like Minecraft, but everything is free. Now, we are in a server right here. And we are going to a high school roleplay, alright? This is what I've been trying to do for like the past few hours, but my family keeps interrupting me whilst recording. By the way, I'm trying something new. I was thinking I could do a little bit of this for Halloween, a little bit of my version of the Ranboo stuff. Hello, Principal Wan. Remember to check out our outdoor. I wasn't done reading that. Hold on. Remember to check out our outdoor facilities. There is a track and field in the back of the school. In the back of the school? Hey, Kaze Lycan. School should be in session soon. Make sure to get to class. Enjoy our classes, Kaze Lycan. The cafeteria is upstairs if you are hungry. Where are classes? You just said the same thing. Okay. I'm gonna move this over here a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah. Don't die. What are you doing? I want this locker. Mine. Mining class is now open. Join now. No, we're gonna join the anime club first. Fighting class? Nah. What the heck? Oh my god, it's Dream! I don't think it's actually Dream though. Hi, Dream. Oh my god, stop with the doors. I swear, if he says hi to me, like seriously, I swear, if that person actually says hi to me, I'm gonna be so happy. It's Dream! I don't think it's actually him though, but like. Oh. Okay. I don't actually know how to change my vision right now. Oh, wait. Actually, I do. Hold on. Ick. Oh. Oh. Hey guys. Oh, no, wrong way. There we go. Race around the sports field with friends. Joke's on you, I don't have friends. Oh my god, it's the stream! You got dream in my video! Oh my god! I just said hi, Dream. Hi, Dream. Hello, Dream? Hello, Dream. I'm a big fan of you, Dream. Move that so we can see what he says. I don't think Dream would actually be on a server like this. Now let's go find that anime club. I mean, he's been hanging around here recently. Oh, it's probably up here. Eh. Oh, look at that guy. He looks a little bit like Ramu. Can't hit anything. Okay, there we go. I got it. You need to double click on something. I have to have a target. Oh my god! What happened? Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay. Cafeteria. You get it? You look like you've seen something. Hello? You look like you've seen something. Oh, they're still getting in it. You look like he saw something he shouldn't have. Ish. from me. Some boys are perverts. That's just fact. Although that dude looks like he's seen some things. And the guy's looking like he saw a ghost. Anyways, I'm in the study hall. No. I went the wrong way. Go to the cafeteria. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Ugh. There's no food up here. Oh, I almost fell off. I'm gonna look where I'm going. Oh my god! It's a deputy dog. Can't wait to go home. Me too. Oh my god, they're fighting with the doors. Oh my god, stop! Did he? Yeah, no. I hope he doesn't see this video and think I actually thought that was him. And I'm talking about Dream here. Oh boy. Or any of the S&T people. There's no food up here. Ugh. Yeah, I'd rather not. Hold on. Yeah, there's no food up here. I'm gonna jump. Whee! I'm still alive. Just slowly walk away. Like I didn't see anything. Where is the anime club? Probably over here. More lockers. Hey, cousin, I can remember to toss all your trash in the bins. Will do! I definitely will. Not. Can't tell me what to do. Are these the bins? High school parties. Purchase food fight party. No. Pets. I'm going in here. Oh, they have to be in my inventory? Alright. Oh, they're forced to be in that. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, God. People are doing the thing again. Oh, I can't break the window. That sucks. Class 8. Can I be the teacher? Class 7. Watch it be like right there. No one's answering me. Hey, I just up. Nice. Hey, please have an answer. Can I have an answer? Can I please have an answer? That's one. If. How can a school have so many classes that don't even have a subject or a room number? Oh, there's class 3. None of these lockers even work. Why is class 4 closed? Am I not supposed to be in here? Ah! I can't. Okay, there we go. Ugh. Where? What? No. I don't think he's gonna show me where the club is, so I guess I'm just gonna have to go find it on my own. Wait, did he start that? Wait, I just realized the doors. Hey, wait a minute, you're not a teacher, you're a student. Oh, God. I'm getting lost in here. I think I can find it again. Hold on. Damn, that's a huge parking lot. Wow. No, not really. I'm hungry. I hope no one picks on me because of my glasses. I haven't decided what club to join yet. So you stupid. Okay, I'm gonna leave her alone. Well, I'm gonna do this so I don't fall off. Haha. Times like these, I wish I had. Whee! Hi, Miss Lee. No, I will not. Yes. Wait, what? Why? Okay. Okay. No, this is building class. I'm supposed to be here. Hi, is that a diamond in the background? That is sad. Mr. Mime? Like Mr. Mime? Oh! No, I'm kidding. Let's go. Alright, so I have to get 50 cobblestone. So that's not how I get cobblestone. Okay. Or maybe. No. No. Get out. Oh, I gotta go. And coal. And iron. Just dig it down. Oh, I hit that rock. Hey, look, there's a ladder. Whee! Whee! Dig straight down. This is how you get things. Wait, that's gold. Get that. Eat. Gold is useless, by the way. Anyone who disagrees, suck my dick. Go suck a dick. If you think gold is actually useful for things, you're completely wrong. You can't even make enchanted golden apples in the new Minecraft anymore. Completely horrible. Oh. I forgot I can't die. I'm immortal. I shall be. You know that meme where it's like, I read this article where if you say curse words, it'll make you live longer, and then that person's like, I shall be immortal. Completely funny and hilarious. I love it. Wee, time to come up. Okay. Hello, Mr. Mine. Turn in material. Let's go. 100 cobblestone. Are you kidding me? Iron ores. Oh, it's a furnace. Oh, here. Oh, so that's what that is. It was a furnace. I am stupid. Iron blocks have been refilled. Okay. Oh, I'm going down deeper. Ugh. Oh, I gotta get 10 iron ores. Hey, look! Speaking of iron. me that. And deeper. Oh, I can't go deeper. I'm at bedrock after that. I mean, unless there's a way to break bedrock and get to the nether from here. But alright, they were already in the haunted hive. Oh! Hello. Wanna play Enjoy the Campus? Bitch? No. You can't make me. No! Where was it? Gotcha. Oh, I forgot. It's so much slower when you're on the ladder. Ugh. Okay, so I need more cobblestone then. Just you and all my friends. Huh. I love how it just automatically goes into your inventory instead of having to actually walk over there. Okay, I have the materials. A goal. Okay. Don't mind me. Hello, Mr. Mine. No. Yes. Bribe to buy this? I don't have any money. No. Dude. Haunted Hive. Oh. Let's go. Captures escapes. Should have seen that coming. Piggy skin, janitor skin. Okay. Daniel. Werewolf! Oh, to buy it? Okay. Werewolf teacher skin? How do I get that? Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get food. I am... Actually, no. That is it for today. Troublemakers, you shall spend these light after school hours in detention. Okay! That was my mom. Alright, well, I'm not a troublemaker. So, give me back to school. Give me back to school. Thank you. Bye! Yeah, okay! That's all for today, guys. I'm gonna go eat food. Remember, keep a smile on your face, okay? Bye!